कश्मीर के मसले को लेकर जो वहां पर किया गया, इस पे पैनल की सहमति बिल्कुल नहीं है, लेकिन वो संवाद फिर से बनेगा। लेकिन इस बीच हम सीधे पहले चल रहे हैं बीजेपी हेडक्वार्टर, वहां पे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एमजे अकबर साहब कर रहे हैं।
काम करें, मिल के आगे बढ़ें, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ ये भी था कि हम टेररिज्म को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। तो इसलिए अब लगता है कि शायद एक नई रोशनी की उम्मीद शायद हम रख सकते हैं। Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and Pakistan's Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif held a meeting this morning on the sidelines of Ufa. A word is being used, an adjective is being used to describe the meeting, which is breakthrough. The reason for this is very clear. For the first time, Pakistan has accepted our definition of terrorism, which is that terrorism in all its forms, and this phrase has been used in the text, terrorism in all its forms is unacceptable. You all know that Pakistan has tried to play a nuanced game on this subject, trying to differentiate between quote-unquote good terrorism and bad terrorism. Our stand has been consistent. There is absolutely nothing called good terrorism. Terrorism in all its forms is an undiluted, unmitigated evil. Pakistan has accepted that in writing, that terrorism in all its forms is unacceptable. This logically links with the second commitment made by Pakistan, that on the Mumbai attacks, Pakistan for 7 years, has been using a policy of delay, a policy of, what shall I call, barely disguised protection of the terrorists by using delays in its legal process. Sometimes judges get changed, sometimes lawyers don't appear, and in any case the main accused there behave as if there is no case against them. Pakistan has accepted that that case must be expedited. This is an important concession made by Pakistan, and we hope that this concession will be now implemented. Along with this, Pakistan has accepted the voice samples, which are the basis of our case. You will recall that during the Bombay terrorism attacks, the messages and instructions were coming from Pakistan.
बीजेपी की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस और जिस तरीके से ये बातचीत हुई है, उसमें जिन मुद्दों को उठाया गया है, वो एक बेहद शानदार तरीके से बातचीत की शुरुआत है। इस बात का जिक्र किया जा रहा है, हालांकि लाहौर डिक्लेरेशन में भी टेररिज्म को लेकर जो व्याख्या की गई थी, उसी तरीके से इस बार भी टेररिज्म को लेकर इस बातचीत से भी निकल रहा है। इससे इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता है।